Good afternoon, Year 2. It's Miss Gembry again. I hope you're all well. We're going to do our next PSHE lesson. So I'm just going to share my screen and we'll go through it together. Our learning intention today is to understand the importance of physical activity and rest. What does physical activity mean? You might want to pause the video and have a think about your answer. And what does rest mean? Again, pause the video at any time to think about your answers. What do you think these words mean? Why is physical activity important? So you've told me what you think it means, but why is it important? Pause the video if you need to. Let's have a look at my answer and we'll see if it matches yours. Physical activity is important because it helps us to stay healthy. It gives us endorphins or good feelings, and it helps us focus in our learning, and it helps us to sleep well. Did you get a similar answer? Well done if you did. Let's move on to the next slide. So today I would like you to take part in a Joe Wicks exercise session on YouTube. Now you may have already done one of these before, so you go onto YouTube and just type in Joe Wicks PE session and there'll be lots to choose from. Once you've done that, afterwards I would like you to think about how you feel. How do you feel after you've completed one of these sessions? So you're welcome to pause the video now and then go onto YouTube and take part in a Joe Wicks session and then come back to my video to find out what to do next. So you should have completed a session on YouTube, a Joe Wicks session, and now I would like you to answer, how do you feel after you have completed the session? Do you feel sweaty? Do you feel a bit out of breath? Do you feel fine? Do you feel like you could do another session? Why is rest important? So you've told me why physical activity is important, but rest is also important. But why? Pause the video if you need to think about your answer. Let's see if yours matches mine. Rest is important because it helps us to relax. It helps your body to recover. It clears your mind. You can focus more on an activity afterwards. Let's list some different ways we can rest. Well, we've got sleep. We can read a book. We can colour. We can watch TV. And we can do some things, mindfulness activities. So things like meditating or colouring or reading. These all help us to relax our mind and to rest. Did you get some similar answers? Can you think of any different ways we can possibly rest? Look how snug that cat looks. That is definitely a rest position. For your activity today, I would like you to complete an exercise and rest diary. So what I would like you to do is note down what you have done and reflect on how you feel. A bit like earlier when you took part in a Joe Wicks session and you reflected on how you felt afterwards. So you can design it like this picture here. You can do a little table where it has the days of the week at the top, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then you can just do it for 1 week, or you can do it for the next few weeks. It's up to you. 1 week would be enough though. So I want you to say on each day what exercise you have done and how it's made you feel. For example, you could put that on Monday, you went for a 30-minute walk. And then I would like you to write how that made you feel afterwards. Have fun with your activity, and I look forward to reading some of these. Have a good day. Bye.